Ayan na guys, oh, luto na yung ating very colorful steamed rice cake. Pang Easter guys, oh. Yummy. Tikman natin guys, ang ganda-ganda oh. Ganda-ganda nila mo. Ang bango-bango. Tikman natin guys. So good, I love this. I love this steamed rice. So far, this is one of my favorite successful experiment. My steamed rice cake, guys. Look. So good, look. Look, tingnan mo yung texture niya. Very fine. Saturday vibes. Happy Easter, everyone. My Easter steamed rice cakes. Very nice and tasty and beautiful. Thank you for watching.